15 September 17. After opening the Aviva Premiership season with a victory, Gloucester couldn't follow up with a win at Quins last weekend. Johan Ackerman told the local media this week the Stoop performance was disappointing, but that the team are well prepared for a challenging trip to Leicester. 14 September 17. Gloucester Hartpury women will kick off their Tyrrell's Premier 15s campaign on Saturday at Darlington Madden Park Sharks. Head coach Susie Appleby and players Catherine Buggy and Courtney Gill attended the tournament launch event at Twickenham, and here's what they had to say.